Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English Journey, and today I am here super excited. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English Journey, and today Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English Journey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English Journey, and today I am Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Priti's English Journey, and today I am here super excited to share with you a brand new feature of Meta AI. Yes, you heard it so clearly that if you have ever wanted to turn your picture from this to this, or change your outfit from this to this, or change or restyle your video from this to this, then this feature will help you more. You may love this with this picture, with this feature. Okay, and I will showing you the simple process and step by step what you can get. And without further delay, let's get started. And so you have to be go to our screen first, phone screen. Then I have to be share that you have to be go to the Play Store. First you have to be go to the Play Store and install the Meta AI app. It's very easy process, you can get. Open. Get started with Meta AI, click on it. Then login. I have already account, so I am login. If you are not login, then you can do the picture. Okay. So here is the front page, and here is the home. If you here is also written all the prompt you can use, like this. Create an image of an anime red panda. First I have to be showing like this, and it's very simple. Yeah, look at here, it's so good, right? Red panda. Okay, I loved it. And you can change, like, create an image of me as bridal. Okay, so only takes 2 to 3 seconds, and you will get the result. Wow, look at here. The feature is also here is my profile, and that get to my profile, and here is my as I am bridal. Wow, wow, nice, nice. Too good, yeah. I can't imagine. Okay, and you can other try create an image of me as superhero, right? Look at here, I am not giving any photos to him. Just I have the profile, in that I uploaded. She gets the analogy from the profile, and showing that things to me. And here is the home. You can let's play a trivia. You can use that. You can choose that what is the name of the largest living structure on earth according to the Genius World Records. I have no idea, so I can change like this C or D. That's incorrect. The A is right. So, and gold AU. This is I know AU. You can play with this meta AI from like this and things. If you choose this here, desert rave, restyle desert rave, this one, all the peoples are doing here. You can find the prompts here. Restyle clouds you can do, and if you go to the here, click on it, you can see here is the real photo and here is the cloud photo. Okay, and you can also get to the whimsical tea party unfolds from smartphone screen. Look at here how. Okay, this is the front you can get. Wow, it's so good. It's also getting animated. Wow. Oh, so look at here robot, and you can do like this. Okay, any prompt you can use. Change the outfit to blue color, and you open the gallery and it takes only less time, like 2 to 3 seconds. We can easily get. Okay, this is the blue one. It's so good, really. Look at here for save, and you can also restyle any videos. Restyle the video to desert ref. Okay, choose any videos of yours. Click next, then you can use any of this. You can maybe western if you want to, and a cyberpunk like this, or desert rave. There is so many. Chicken pox, this is the chicken head you can get if you don't want to see your face, so that, and forecoat you can use any of this. Anime and space cadet, luminous cat, video game, and clouds and robot. There is so many option and featured. You can use also fashion like cheetah, black silk, evil witch, and forecoat, fedora, and something that you can do with this. You can use. Okay, any of these. Tuxedo, floral suit, locations. You can also change the location of your medieval jungle, swamp, snow. There is so many. Weird also. If you want to look, there is this lightning. There is so many options and it's really good. Like luminous kit, I am using luminous kit. There is also here is also styles you can use, but I am here using this one. Where is gun? Luminous cat. Okay, and it's get 1 minutes only to upload. If your net is too good, then it takes time, very less. Right here you can also see that. Okay, here is the notification available if it is available, the videos, dark clouds, and this is I made before, and glacial day. Look at here, I made it before. Okay, that's the thing. And here is the all, and here is your prompt, and we ready. It's 76%. I literally showing you all the pictures of what I have, and you can also do with this animate videos. If you have the PC, you can log in that. If possible, I will show you to the PC videos. Then look at here, digit luminescent. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Priti's like English this, you can save here, or maybe you can use any other edit. You can do here also. If it's not suitable to you, you can change here also. So this is the things I share today. So bye bye.